What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Chevy Impala started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your vehicle started. So this is a 2020 Impala here, but it will be the same on several different years. And it's only going to apply to vehicles that have push button start. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, if I press the button for the remote, nothing's working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. What we need to do is place this in the transmitter pocket, and that's going to be located in the center console. It's going to be this pocket right in here. So we want to put our key fob in there with the buttons facing the front of the vehicle. Okay, and then if we come over here, it should start just as it normally would. So we'll press the brake, stop start button. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.